The Gale 1.5 news database provides access to major US and international newspapers. The articles in these newspapers can be accessed at your fingertip. So let us see how to access these news articles. You click on the Gale 1.5 news database, and this is the page that will open up. Over here, there is a publication search. You click on go to publication search and you put in the title of your newspaper that you are looking for. For example, if I want the articles from the newspaper, the Washington Post, I will put the Washington Post and I will search. So all the articles published in Washington Post will be seen. You can sort these entries date-wise. Here they have the archives since 2000. So I click on the date, and these are the articles that were published in that date. Within this, I can see the various subjects that are there in this newspaper, that were covered in this newspaper, and the documents also. So there are articles, editorials, overview, etc. Again, if I want to see which articles from the New York Times, I put in the New York Times and I select search. Click on New York Times and this is the page that opens up. So I can see today's date as well. So there are 63 news articles published today in New York Times. And I can just browse through these articles. Similarly, if I want to search for articles on The Guardian, I just put The Guardian over here and I search for it. And I have 102 news articles from The Guardian. So I click on one of this article, I read it. This is how it looks like. So I go through it. I can translate this into another language. So I can translate it into either French or maybe Hindi or even Spanish. I can increase, decrease, and increase the font size. I can listen to it. I can share it in Google Drive, through OneDrive, email it, download it, and even print it. I go through this article and I feel that the first paragraph is important. So I can highlight this as well. I can make a note of it and I can save it. Now this saved, you can see over here the highlights and notes. You will get it over here. You can see your highlighted text over here. You can even cite this article. This is where you get your citation. If you want more articles like the one you have read, you can have a look at this in the more like this section. So this sums up my Gale database tutorial.